Good morning, guys. As you can see behind me here, Julie's putting the finishing touches on the trailer. We've got everything welded up, the winch is mounted, the battery's ready to go. We're gonna just finish up a couple of bolts, then we're gonna head over and pick up that truck.
Trying to get it in your truck.
That's okay. We'll just drag it. It'll let me get my leg back. All right, guys, so there we have it. Got the truck out, heading down to the farmyard. Went pretty well today. Couldn't have done it without the girls. Glad they were here to help. Julie and I got it loaded. Went about as well as I think we really could have hoped we could go. A couple flat tires that made some of the dragging on with the winch a little bit interesting, but all in all, the winch really made pretty easy work of it. Now we just got to get it back to Montana so we can get started.